dun sa composition right now na tatamaan yung concept of losing.
Ang balita ko wala naman daw. I think the final roster, although nasa na si LA, I think he has a pool of 16 that he's playing with, that he's practicing with, and parang okay naman, wala naman conflict.
About 16 players, ilan yung makakatapos?
Final 12. Like any FIBA tournament, it will be cut down to 12. I think the deadline will be 1 or 2 weeks before the tournament.
Sino makakalaban natin sa finals?
Hindi ko alam, kahit sino sa kanila.
Sir, what's live ba? Live ba yung mga games?
Well, we have this arrangement with Signal, so they'll be airing it live in all their platforms. So I think we'll see the games live.
Coach, knowing LA and B, veteran ng maraming international tournament, pag nagpa-practice ko sila, gano'n nila tinutulang yung mga batang to? Kasi yung mga batang to, yun ang susunod na gilas di ba?
Oh, well, like what I said, I'm really sorry, but I've not seen them practice. I intend to visit na. Kasi nga, I've been focused on putting this event together. So, hindi ko pa talaga nabibisita yung team. Bayaan ko sila na muna ang bahala sa pag-form ng team.
Meron ba tayong mga special presentation, may opening ceremony?
We'll do away with the opening ceremonies. We will have the medal awarding at the last day. And siguro may break yan So I think we'll probably host dinner. Parang sa FIBA meron normally may welcome dinner for the team. So it's a good problem.